Welcome to a journey of financial resilience where the goal is clear: to build an emergency fund even on a low income. It's about safeguarding your future, one step at a time, ensuring that when life throws a curveball, you're ready to catch it. Today, we'll walk through 20 pragmatic steps to accumulate that crucial financial buffer. An emergency fund. No matter the size of your income, these steps are about maximizing your resources, making smart financial decisions, and steadily working towards a more secure financial future. Step 1. Establish a clear, realistic goal. Embarking on this journey begins with setting a tangible target for your emergency fund. While experts often recommend saving enough to cover 3 to 6 months of living expenses, starting with a smaller goal, such as $500 or $1,000, can make the task less daunting. This goal isn't merely a figure. It represents your commitment to financial preparedness and peace of mind. Step 2. Perform a detailed budget audit. Delve into the intricacies of your current financial situation. Scrutinize every income source and expenditure with a critical eye. Differentiate between wants and needs and identify areas where expenses can be minimized or eliminated. This process isn't just about cutting corners. It's about gaining a profound understanding of your financial habits and reshaping them to serve your ultimate goal of savings. Step 3. Prioritize and automate your savings. In the hierarchy of your monthly expenses, treat your emergency fund contribution as an utmost priority. Consider it a non-negotiable commitment, akin to paying rent or utility bill. Setting up an automatic transfer to your savings account can help enforce this commitment, ensuring that your emergency fund grows steadily, without the temptation to divert these funds elsewhere. Step 4. Diversify and increase income streams. Explore every feasible avenue to augment your income. Whether it's freelancing, part-time jobs, or monetizing a hobby, every extra dollar earned should be channeled towards your emergency fund. This step goes beyond merely increasing your income. It's about fostering a proactive mindset and utilizing your skills to fortify your financial foundation. Step 5. Capitalize on unexpected windfalls. Life occasionally presents us with unexpected financial windfalls. Tax returns, bonuses, or gifts. Establish a rule that a significant portion, if not all, of this unexpected money is allocated directly to your emergency fund. This practice transforms these windfalls from fleeting pleasures into lasting contributions to your financial security. Step 6. Continuously monitor and adapt your financial plan. Constructing an emergency fund is a dynamic process, requiring regular assessment and adaptation. As your financial situation, income, or expenses change, be prepared to recalibrate your strategy. Celebrate every milestone achieved and use these victories as motivation to persist and persevere on this journey. Step 7. Cultivate patience and consistency. Building a substantial emergency fund is a gradual process that demands consistency and patience. Small, regular contributions might not seem impactful initially, but over time, they accumulate into a significant financial cushion. Recognize that each step, no matter how small, brings you closer to your goal of financial resilience. Step 8. Rigorously reduce expenses. Constantly seek new ways to curtail your expenses. Whether it's through smarter shopping, utilizing coupons, or embracing a more minimalist lifestyle, each dollar saved is a dollar that can be funneled into your emergency fund. This relentless pursuit of frugality isn't just about saving money. It's about embracing a philosophy of living within your means and valuing savings over spending. Step 9. Elevate your financial literacy. Invest time in educating yourself about personal finance. Understanding the nuances of saving, the impact of interest, and effective budgeting strategies can significantly enhance your ability to manage and grow your emergency fund. Knowledge is a powerful tool that empowers you to make informed, savvy financial decisions. Step 10. Maintain a buffer in your checking account. Aim to keep a small buffer in your checking account to avoid potential overdraft fees. These fees can quickly undermine your saving efforts. By maintaining a cushion, you ensure that unexpected expenses don't derail your progress and that your focus remains firmly on building your emergency fund. Step 11. Harness the power of community support. Surround yourself with like-minded individuals who share your financial goals, whether it's family, friends, or online communities. A supportive environment can offer invaluable motivation, advice, and accountability. This network isn't just a source of encouragement, it's a reminder that you're not alone on the journey, and collective wisdom can be a powerful catalyst for change. Step 12. Regularly review your financial products. Stay vigilant about the financial products you use, from your savings account to insurance policies. Regularly review these products to ensure they're still the best fit for your needs and that you're not paying for unnecessary features or missing out on better rates or benefits. This proactive approach can lead to incremental savings that significantly boost your emergency fund. Step 13. Embrace a mindset of minimalism. Consider adopting a minimalist approach to your possessions and spending habits. This doesn't mean living without comfort, but rather making intentional, purposeful choices about what you buy and keep. Minimalism helps eliminate unnecessary spending, declutter your life, and can redirect your focus and finances towards saving and building your emergency fund. Step 14. Develop side hustles tailored to your skills. Assess your unique skills and interests and explore how they can be leveraged to generate additional income. Whether it's crafting, tutoring, or offering services in your area of expertise. Side hustles can be a fulfilling way to earn extra money that can be funneled directly into your emergency fund. Step 15. Implement a Use It Up week. Regularly designate a week where the goal is to use up items you already have, be it food in your pantry, personal care products, or household items. This challenge encourages resourcefulness, reduces waste, and postpones the need to spend money on replacements, allowing you to allocate more towards your emergency fund. Step 16. Master the art of frugal living. Embrace frugality not as a temporary measure, but as a lifestyle. Learn to find joy and satisfaction in living simply and making the most of what you have. Frugal living isn't about deprivation. It's about finding value in less and ensuring your financial resources are utilized in the best possible way. Step 17. Seek out free or low-cost entertainment options. Rethink your leisure and entertainment choices. Opt for activities that are free or low-cost yet equally fulfilling. Whether it's nature hikes, community events, or home movie nights, there are countless ways to enjoy yourself without straining your budget, allowing you to maintain a focus on growing your emergency fund. Step 18. Create visual reminders of your goal. Keep your emergency fund goal in constant sight. Whether it's a chart on your fridge, a tracker in your planner, or an image on your phone's wallpaper, visual reminders can serve as daily motivation and a tangible representation of your progress and commitment. Step 19. Practice gratitude and mindfulness. Cultivate a habit of gratitude and mindfulness. Appreciate what you have. Enjoy the present moment and resist the urge for constant consumption. This mindset shift can lead to greater contentment, reduced impulsiveness in spending, and a more focused approach to building your emergency fund. Step 20. Share your journey and inspire others. As you make progress, share your journey with others. Your story can inspire and encourage friends, family, or even strangers to embark on their own path to financial resilience. In sharing your challenges and successes, you not only reinforce your own commitment, but also contribute to a community of mutual support and empowerment. Building an emergency fund on a low income is an exercise in perseverance, creativity, and strategic planning. Each step on this journey brings you closer to a future where financial emergencies are not crises but mere inconveniences, easily managed and quickly resolved. Embrace each of these steps with determination and optimism, and watch as your emergency fund transforms from an aspiration to a tangible source of security and peace of mind. Don't forget to hit that like button if you're committed to building your emergency fund, subscribe for more insightful financial guidance, and share in the comments which step you're taking today to secure your financial future. Here's to your journey of savings, resilience, and financial empowerment.